I'd tried banh mi before in the UK, in Thailand, in the Philippines, and I'd never been particularly bothered by them. They were fine, they're a pretty average sandwich, but I thought, now I'm in Vietnam, I have to try a banh mi. This restaurant was 5 stars, and, well... This was lathered in butter, packed with meat and full of flavour. It was incredible, but we needed to have a little bit of health in there. I've been in Vietnam for 3 weeks now and I've eaten over a dozen banh mi, and I tell you what, this one was my first one and my favourite. It was definitely on the more expensive side. It is the joint most expensive banh mi I have eaten. It cost me 70,000 Vietnamese dong, which is roughly £2.
That's really good, I really like that. No, I don't like the banh mi I like out and then I like actually the first one I tried, I'm not happy with it.